Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the battery on this Mitsubishi Outlander remote key fob. So this is of 2010 Outlander. So it's going to be the same key type for that year for other Mitsubishi models as well. So the way we're going to change the battery is we're going to use this small Phillips screwdriver, and we're just going to remove this screw off here. So we're just going to remove that screw off the key fob. There we go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to split the casing like this. Okay, so make sure that this immobilizer chip is fully intact. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this mechanism from inside the casing. There we go. So that's the mechanism out of the casing. Just going to put the button back in here like that. Just going to rest it here. So we're going to open this cover here, the black cover, to get to the battery. So the way we're going to get to it is from here. So just going to use my nail to open it. So the battery is situated here, and the battery type is CR1616. So just gonna remove the battery. There we go, that's the old battery out of the way. So we're gonna replace it with a fresh battery. We got this from a local auto part shop. So the positive side of the battery goes in like this. Okay, so the negative facing towards you, and then there we go. So just gonna place the cover back in like this. Okay, that's the cover back in place. So just gonna press the button to see if it's working. Yeah, so the LED lights up when I press the button. Okay, so just gonna place the mechanism inside the casing now. So the way the whole mechanism goes in is like this. Again, I'm gonna test it. Yeah, it's working fine. Unlock and then lock. Yeah, here comes the top cover. Screw goes here. Just gonna tighten it. There we go, friends. That's the screw nicely tightened. So job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.